Well, we have some new projects. We have still got the Volvo. It's coming along good. Got new headlights in there. I got some new stuff for the exhaust. Haven't put it on yet. Don't have to shop no more. Don't have a lift. Makes things a little harder, a little more time consuming. But we have stuff coming. One special thing that we have is, obviously, as you can see, this is a Subaru motor. We bought this to replace the engine in my 03 WRX that I picked up 3 weeks ago, I think, something like that. And yeah, tore it down, and we found out that, I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but I can post a picture of it too. But if you look, oh yeah, you can kind of see that. There's a crack in the liner. So it's not horrible. I mean, when you get a used block, you know, you take that chance. But what we did find out, it is a JDM block. So we have the higher compression pistons. I haven't measured the cam lobes. I don't know if they're the same or not, but they do have the notches for the wrenches that the USDM cams do not. So you can see, I broke a pulley, or cam cog, gear, whatever you want to call it. So if you don't have one, I highly recommend. Cheap, Amazon, came in like 3 days. Got the other ones off. Although the belt trick, there's tons of videos on it. Check it out. The belt trick works. You wrap the belt around your cam cog, and then you kind of weave it in here, and you put a couple of vice grip pliers, not vice grip, locking pliers or whatnot, and you hold it, and that basically holds the pulley for you. Okay, more bad news. So we got the pan off, and you can see there's a little bit in there. But when we were pulling the pan, we noticed some ring-a-ding-dinging in there. Well, yeah, so there's that. You hear that? Definitely piston parts. Ah, there it is. Sorry about the view. It's kind of hard to do this yourself. Ah. Oh my goodness. Well, I don't know if there's going to be anything to save in this. Looks like we might just... Oh, big chunk right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Man, I think he did more than just ring failure. This is complete piston skirt failure. Yeah, I think that's going to be cleaned. You know what? Maybe we will just do a full build on this thing, because I don't know. I don't know if this is going to be any good, guys. Well, I feel a little defeated, but I like it. The wife might not, but I don't mind it. So basically, I'm just going to come to the conclusion that this is just junk. With the amount of stuff I found in the oil pan, the keyway is messed up. I broke the timing cog. This piston, I think this one right here, is the one that's supposedly blew up. So with all that, I'll say what I can. Sensors here and there. It's always good to have an extra crank sensor, cam sensor. The heads are still good, so I want to save those. I will have them cleaned and machine. Well, maybe I'll have them checked and cleaned and all that. Might even do bigger springs, valves. Maybe they're not valves. They flow pretty good, but maybe heavy duty springs, whatnot. And I think I'm just going to build the 2.5 block I'm getting from Mitch. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. And there is more content coming. And Grandpa Dan, the Volvo, she's coming. We gotta find a name for the Subaru, and I'll show you guys that next video. So, talk to you guys later. Bye.